4, the final part of how Google's AI is changing search forever. In this one, we get very practical. I'm going to show you how to test whether your website is ready for these new AI search agents and one free fix you can do to your website today. So now we know what are the new KPIs that we need to look at. We know what type of information we need in our website. How do we know if our website is search agent friendly, that the agents can actually access our website and do all the things they need to? Well, let's do the test. To do this test correct, and by the way, it's free, you need to download a special version of Chrome called Chrome Canary. This is the version that is used by developers because it's updated almost daily with new features. Some of these features in Chrome Canary, not many people get. So I need you to download that. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you need to do a couple of things here. You want to go to this URL, and I'll leave it in the screen here, and you want to make sure that you enable WebMCP for testing. This is critical because by default, it's just by default, but you need to make sure that it's enabled. Now we're ready to go. We can test if our website is ready for the AI search engines or the AI agents, that are searching through the website. I'm going to pick a website here. With the website loaded in Chrome Canary, you want to go up here to the 3 dots. You want to go to more tools, and we're going to go to developer tools. Now by default, you might have been placed in the Elements tab. You want to go to the Lighthouse tab. And if you don't see this report here, it's because maybe you've got the doc cited in the side like this. I like it at the bottom, so I'm going to place it like this here. What you need to do is make sure that in the categories, you have this agentic browsing category selected. I've got the desktop selected, and I'm going to analyze the page load. Now this calls the Lighthouse report, which is just a classic report that every SEO should know about. It essentially tells you the performance of your website from a speed, from an SEO perspective, from a technical reporter's perspective. Really good to have. But now there's a very new and important feature here, because these are the normal datasets that we get: performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO. But now there's a new one, agentic browsing. That is the one that you need to make sure you optimize for. So if I go down to the website, I see here, okay, my agentic browsing, I'm missing a lot of things. The accessibility tree is not well formed. So now you know if your website is actually optimized for this or not, because you can get up to 3 out of 3 from the agentic browsing, and that's where you know that you're actually getting optimized. What's one thing that you can do today to make sure that you are optimized for this agentic SEO, new type of SEO? Well, thankfully, Google has confirmed the one thing that's going to help this is setting an llm.txt file on your website. This used to cause a bit of drama in the internet because people thought that llm.txt files were a waste. Turns out they're not. So how do you put this file on your website? Let me show you really quickly because it's very easy to do. All you got to do is, if you're on WordPress, is make sure that you have a plugin installed called Yoast, right? So I'm going to look for the plugin with you. I'm going to go to plugins. I'm going to add a plugin, and I'm going to search for Yoast. And it should be the first one that you find here. I'm going to install. The free version for this purpose is going to be more than okay. So I'm going to install this, and then you need to activate it. With that plugin installed, we can go to Yoast SEO because we're going to have that tab now. We want to go to settings within the Yoast application. You want to scroll all the way down until you see this one here, which is the llm.txt file. It's just under the AI tools. All I want to do is enable that and save changes, and that's it. Well done, you have set your LLM text file on your website. You're on your way to becoming a lot more friendly for the search agents. Now, if you run the same test that we did before with your website, you might get 2 out of 2 for agentic browsing, or even 3 out of 3, depending on the other things that you have on your website. We figured out how to get 4 out of 4 for agentic browsing, so kind of optimized for performance, accessibility, and SEO, almost everything 100%. These are the type of things that we're keeping up to date and we teach inside our community AI ranking. I'll leave a link if you want to try it out risk-free for 7 days below. And that is it. Welcome to this new AI search era of agents doing most of the work for you. If you found this useful, I'll leave a link to the complete video below, and make sure you follow along because this industry changes every single day.